One thing I want to briefly talk to you about is the type of PPE you need to wear whenever you're using glues, especially ones in our career. I did a lot of research on this and I knew that glue was really toxic to us, but it took me a long time to figure out what we needed. And what you need to go out and buy is something called an organic vapor cartridge. These cartridges will protect you from the fumes that our glues produce. And especially when you're working in an enclosed space, those fumes can become very overwhelming quickly. So do yourself a favor, get a respirator and get the cartridges that are compatible to it and make sure they're organic vapor cartridges.